how to fit snap buttons, or how to fit press studs, if that's what you prefer to call them, sometimes known as snap fasteners. I've had these clear tarpaulins made to fit on my garden bar come office, and I'm using these press studs to fit them to the apertures. That'll keep out birds and also the dust, so it'll help to keep my work area clean. You can use them for all sorts of things, but they are really easy to fit, so let's get to it. Now I'm going to show you how this is done by fitting the press stud to the first corner of this second tarpaulin. Now first thing you will need is a firm surface to work on. A kitchen countertop would be quite good, or do it on the floor, and give yourself a smooth firm surface by putting down a chopping board or a scrap piece of wood. These snap fasteners typically come in a kit. You'll get a base or a puck, which you use along with a punch for fastening the parts together, and then you get the parts separately to make the snap and the fastener. Because I'm fitting the bases to a wooden surface, the bases in this kit come with screws in them, but you can also get kits where the base comes separately with the other piece that you crimp together. I don't actually know what the proper name is for that bit, but anyway, so you can do fabric to fabric or fabric to solid. Now you will need a hole punch. Some kits do come with a hole punch, so if you haven't got any kind of hole punch and you don't want to have to buy one, then make sure to buy a kit that comes with one. Choose a size of punch so that it'll make a hole such that the back of your stud will be a snug fit in the hole. Let's make the hole and then I can show you that. With whatever kind of punch you've got, make your hole. Make sure you know which side you want the cap and which side you want the snap. In my case, I want these little folded flaps on the inside, because if they were on the outside and at the bottom in particular, they'd fill up with rain. And put your cap through the hole from the side that's going to show. Now the reason for making sure that the cap is a snug fit in the hole is that if the snap is loose in any way, then it will stretch and strain the material around the hole. That results in tears eventually. And turn your fabric over so that your cap is downwards. Rest your cap on the smooth side of the puck and put your snap over the cap, and then press your snap down to make sure that the material is pushed right down into the cap. Then put the shaped end of the punch into the little tube of the cap with a standard size hammer. Give it 2 or 3 smart hits, which then makes it like a rivet and it grips the snap. And that's one side of it done. Get hold of each side and make sure that the 2 halves are firmly fixed together. Make sure that one doesn't spin on the other. If they're in any way loose, then they can damage the material over the long term. Now in my case, I'm using screw-on bases, and I'll simulate that by gripping the screw in my workbench here. The fastener simply snaps on. If, for example, you wanted to be able to fold this over and snap it over folded, you would need the type of kit that comes with extra caps and bases so that you can put them together around the material that they're fitting to, and you would punch them together in exactly the same way. And it really is that easy. If you got value from this video, consider supporting the channel in some way, and I shall see you on the next one.